Hi, I'm Emily LaFave.
I'm David Vitanza.
David, you sound grumpy today.
I am grumpy.
Well, we have the perfect thing for that. Grumpy's pepper sauce.
Oh my god, that'll spice up my day and make me less grumpy.
It's our first hot sauce tasting.
It is. I'm excited about this one. He is out of Kingston, Massachusetts, I believe.
Yep, that's right.
Awesome.
How's your spice tolerance?
My spice tolerance is pretty good.
I actually made us some cheese quesadillas to try this on, but I kept the quesadillas low in flavor. It's just cheese and tortillas because I really wanted the pepper sauce to shine. So we're definitely going to be able to taste it.
Cool.
I've actually had this before.
I was gonna say, you have like a stash of this at home, don't
I
you?
do. I'm a big fan. I swiped a bottle for myself already and I put it on everything. Just the other day, I added it to some mild salsa to give it like a little extra kick.
Cool.
It was really good. And so this recipe was created by the owner of the company, Jim's grandmother and uncle, and they lived in Barbados.
Yes.
And that's where it was originally sold before it came to Massachusetts to be sold in 2017, so pretty recently to the market.
And it was invented back in 1960, so it's been around for a while.
Yeah, and its loyal followers, we were checking out some reviews and stuff online, say don't change the recipe, it's perfect the way it is. Let's try it.
Let's do it. It's very flavorful. Ooh, and a bite.
Yeah, it's spicy.
It's got a kick. I like it though.
Did you just instantly get your sinuses cleared out?
I did.
One of the key ingredients to the... Oh my god, no! You are instantly hiccuping. So, how about that spice tolerance?
Yeah.
My spice tolerance is pretty good.
Oh no!
I don't know that I've ever had hiccups from spice before.
That's a natural reaction that people get.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, interesting. I mean, it is delicious. So don't get me wrong. I can tolerate the hiccups for the taste.
I'm going in for more.
I want more too.
Yeah, one of the key ingredients is mustard. So it's like a mustard base and then with habanero peppers layered on top of that, and that's what gives it the heat. Just the other day I made a grilled chicken recipe, and it was coconut milk, pepper sauce, little cilantro, and some honey. And so it was like a sweet and spicy and kind of played off of the Caribbean roots of the sauce itself. Grilled it up. It was really good. And speaking of grilling, it's grilling season now, officially. We just got through Memorial Day. Next up is Father's Day, and
it's about 80 degrees outside right now.
Yeah, perfect time to be eating some super hot sauce. So, I mixed this into a marinade, which I thought was great, but it's also just a great condiment. I saw online some people really recommended using this on pork chops.
Someone said they used it on their pasta salad to give it a little kick because it was a little bland. You know how I feel about pasta salad.
Yeah, it's like your staple meal in your house.
I do like though that the heat isn't overpowering the flavor, even though the heat is there. There's still a very strong, unique flavor in this.
Well, if you are a hot sauce lover and you like something that is sort of the middle ground between mild and spicy, but with a lot of flavor, this sauce definitely packs a punch. It's definitely going to give you a little bit of sweat, a little slow burn in the mouth, but it is a great condiment or ingredient for grilling season. And you could use this in so many different ways, so I highly recommend it.
Excellent. I do too.
Thank you, and now find Grumpy's pepper sauce now on Forager.